The Beachline Departure is one of the two primary solo authorized departures for NAS Corpus Christi. It is used when transiting to Foxtrot, Mustang, or Central working areas, as well as transit to Nulf Waldron. It is also used for the Shamrock reentry and for the VNAV South routes. The two main checkpoints associated with the Beachline Departure are the High Bridge, which can be easily identified as it aligns with the intercoastal island chain, and the Beachline, which is where the land ends and the water begins. When departing on runways 18 or 22, expedite your climb to 300 feet and make an immediate left turn to heading 105, leveling off at 500 feet. Avoid overflying SPID to the max extent possible. Maintain 500 feet all the way to the High Bridge. Runway 13 left will fly a heading of 125, while 13 right will fly a heading of 135, both climbing to 500 feet out to the High Bridge. At the High Bridge, all four runways will continue outbound on a heading of 105 and climb to 2,500 feet. Once reaching the Beachline, proceed as applicable for your chosen destination. For North Flow runways, initially you'll climb to 500 feet and accelerate to 200 knots. Runways 04 and 36 will fly runway heading. Runway 31 right will fly heading 315, and runway 31 left will fly heading 305. Once clear of the pattern, runways 4, 36, and 31 right will make an immediate turn to heading 105, climb to 2,500 feet, and once at altitude, accelerate to 240 knots. Runway 31 left will do the same, but not until cleared to do so by tower. From here, all runways will continue out on a heading of 105 and 2,500 feet at 240 knots until past the Beachline, where you can then proceed as required. When told to contact departure by tower, respond with the acknowledgement and switch to channel 8 on UHF. The check-in call is relatively standard, giving them altitude, position, and intentions. The radio conversation will go roughly as follows.
Corpus Departures, Ranger 769, checking in 500 feet off Navy Corpus for Mustang North.
Ranger 769, this is Corpus Departure. Ident, areas 1 and 2 are available.
Departures, Ranger 769 with the flash, request area 2.
Ranger 769 is radar contact, proceed course rules area 2.
The details will change based on your destination and profile. However, the flow should be basically the same. If you enjoyed this video or found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. If you didn't, or if there's something you found inaccurate or incomplete, please leave a comment. And finally, if there are any topics you would like to see covered, either leave a comment or send me an email at swootycraft@gmail.com.